Artificial intelligence may become the most powerful technology ever created. More powerful than the internet, more powerful than nuclear weapons in some ways. Because this time, the battle isn't just about destruction, it's about control. And governments know it. That's why behind closed doors, world leaders are watching AI very closely. Because if AI becomes too powerful, it may shift global power forever. And that terrifies them. Governments fear anything they cannot fully control, and AI may be the hardest technology to control in history. It learns, it adapts, it evolves, and it moves faster than laws. That alone is dangerous. But AI creates deeper fears: national security, cyber warfare, economic disruption, political manipulation, mass surveillance, autonomous weapons. This changes everything. Because in the wrong hands, AI can become a weapon, not a physical weapon, a digital one. Imagine cyber attacks automated by AI, faster than human defense, smarter than traditional systems, capable of shutting down power grids, banks, hospitals, entire countries. That possibility is real, and governments know it. But the fear goes deeper. AI can influence information, and information controls people. Deepfakes, fake speeches, fake wars, fake evidence, AI-generated propaganda. A single fake video could trigger chaos, crash markets, start riots, destroy trust. And once trust breaks, society becomes fragile. That's another reason governments fear AI, because power depends on trust, and AI can manipulate reality itself. Then there's the economy. If AI replaces millions of workers, governments must deal with unemployment, welfare, social unrest, poverty, and pressure from angry citizens. If too many people lose purpose, stability becomes harder to maintain, and governments fear instability more than anything else. But there's one fear bigger than all of these: falling behind. Because if one country dominates AI, it may dominate the future. Military power, economic power, technological power, global influence. That's why nations are racing. America, China, Europe, Russia. Everyone wants a piece. No one wants to be left behind. This makes AI dangerous, because fear creates speed, and speed reduces caution. The faster the race, the less time there is for safety. And history has shown what happens when powerful technology grows faster than wisdom. Sometimes, control is lost. That may be the biggest fear of all. Not that AI becomes evil, but that humans lose control over something too important to stop. And if that happens, governments may realize too late that the most powerful thing they ever built is no longer under their control.
The future is not just automated, it is completely and utterly alive. Do not miss what comes next. Subscribe and join the evolution.